How to fix error on Instagram login. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings. In settings, simply click on Wi-Fi and network. In here, click on VPN. After that, you can click on the gear icon beside the VPN, which will open this page. In here, make sure your VPN is turned off. After you've done that, simply go back in the settings and then click on apps and notifications in here. After you've clicked on apps and notifications, simply click on Instagram in here. After you've clicked on Instagram, you will find this kind of screen. In here, click on storage and cache. Clear cache at the top and then clear storage. Press on OK and your storage will also be removed. After that, everything will be fixed. This is how to fix Instagram login error. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.